Alright, we're going to be going over Chapter 2, Lesson 1 homework. And here we have just some digit riddles, or some number riddles, sorry. And I already provided the blanks for you based on how many digits are in each number. So I have 5 digits. My worth is 50,000. So that means the 5 would be in the 10 thousands place. My 8 is worth 8,000. My 8 will be in the thousands place. My 6, one of my 6's is worth 60, so that means there's more than one 6, so I'm going to put that 6 in the tens place. My other is worth 10 times as much, so we've got to remember we talked about going to the next place value. 10 times as much would mean it's in the hundreds place, and my other digit is a 0. So what is my number? 58,660. Number 2, I have 5 digits. My worth is 9. 9 times 10,000. So my 9 is in the 10 thousands place. And so I have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10 thousands. My 2 is worth 2,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. One of my 7's is worth 70. So ones, tens. My other is worth 10 times as much, so that means one place bigger, so I'm going to make another 7 here. My other digit is a 6, so what number am I? 92,776. I have 4 digits. My 7 is worth 1,000, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. My other is worth, my 2 is worth 200. Ones, tens, 200, so 200. My 4 is worth 40. My other 4 is worth 1/10 as much. So that means going back one place to the ones. What number am I? 7,244. I have 6 digits. One of my 3's is worth 30 or 300,000. The other is worth 1/10 as much, so going back one place. My 6 is worth 600, ones, tens, hundreds. My other digits are 0. 330,600. I have 5 digits. My 4's are worth 4 times 10,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. And 4 times 10, so ones, tens. One of my 3's is worth 3,000. Sorry about that, guys. And one of my 3's is worth 3,000, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. My other is worth 1/10 as much, so just one place back. My other digit's a 2. What number am I? 43,342. I am the largest 7-digit number you can write with the digits 3, 6, 9, 4, 0, 8, and 2. So here I'm going to look at my digits, and I'm going to pick the biggest digit, and I'm going to put it in the biggest place. So that's that first place here, the millions place. That's that 9. Now my next biggest digit is the 8. I'm going to put it in the 100,000s place. Now what's the next biggest digit? A 6. I'm going to put it in the 10,000s place. The thousands, a 4. 3 would go in the hundreds. And now it's left with a 2 and a 0, so 2 and a 0. So my answer is 9,864,320. So here we are going to solve, remember, our order of operations, parentheses, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division, adding and subtracting, or PEMDAS. So parentheses first, and we always rewrite 3 plus 2 is 5. And rewrite 4 times 5 is 20. Now here I'm going to write it on graph paper just because I want to make sure I have enough room. or not graph paper, scratch paper. And so I'm going to rewrite this. I have some grouping symbols here. Alright, so 24 divided by 6 is 4. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Rewrite these grouping symbols here. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Alright, here, I'm going to do parentheses first. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 times 5 is 10. Now add those together, and I get, that's a terrible 3, 30 and 1, because 21 plus 10 is 30 and 1. Now here, same groupings, or more grouping symbols. I'm going to rewrite here for number 8, 100 minus grouping symbols. Oops, that's a, there we go. Do the innermost one first. 25 divided by 5 is 5, times 10, rewrite, minus 100. 5 times 10 is 50, minus 100. Then 100 minus 50 is 50. Here we're going to go ahead, complete these grouping symbols. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10. Go ahead, subtract and get to 5. 56 divided by 7. Oh, sorry, I want to do grouping symbols first. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Rewrite. 52 divided by 7, sorry, 42 divided by 7 is 6. And multiply to get 48. So make sure you show your work and do the back side.